By the way, I'm Carl from Planet Pageant. So, it was mentioned or nagbigay ng mensahe kanina yung former or current Mr. Pampanga 2024. In a world where we live in a social media driven, how would you promote authenticity as Mr. Pampanga?
Again, pwede pong paulit.
In a world driven by social media, how are you going to promote authenticity?
Other than social media po, for everyone's information, I'm also an influencer po with slight followers, and I think other than social media, mas ma-appreciate ko po or papahalagaan ko po or ang Pampanga or may papakita ko po ang authenticity ng Pampangan. Pag ito ay sinumulan ko sa akin sarili, kaya ako po ay naniniwala na bibigyan ko na lang po maging magandang halimbawa na lamang po sa kapwa ko using my social media and my followers to be a good sample to everyone. Thank you po.